There's a lizard in my house. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we're bringing you something a little bit different. So as you guys know, with my new job, kind of working hand in hand with my buddy Eric here, who LBZ we're building, we do construction, so that's what we're doing today. Kind of, I guess. We're rolling down and we're actually laying electrical, water, and one other kind of pipe, something down the driveway, the whole driveway. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just here to fix stuff and be a laborer, you know. But anyways, we're gonna get into it. It's our day. It's nice because for you guys this took about 5 seconds, but for us it's been a good morning. But we laid some pipe down and yeah, I actually ended up picking up an LBZ block just yesterday, I think. So we're gonna unload that, take my truck to Home Depot and go get some more shit, I think. We're a little bit short, but it's coming along. We like trenched this all out and made it all pretty flat, and now we've just been assembling this pipe all together. So good times, good times. It's hot. It's November, what, like 18th today? Yeah. It's like 95 degrees, so it's a little miserable, but it's all good. It's all good. Check out this free LBZ block I found. We'll get back to that later. But we're hopping in the golf cart. We're almost done for the day. We've been busy. Oh boy. Look at all these trucks. CST lifts on both of them. Dual Foxes all around. But yeah. With a good old 7.3. Wind noise is probably gonna be terrible because we're mobbing the golf cart, but hey. It's all good in the hood. The Mini X going. Homie slaving away. Oh, we're getting up the foot to the floor on the brake. Look. I can't stop, guys. I can't stop. We're gonna have to do something here. Woo! That was a little rough. I was literally foot to the floor on the brakes. That was sketch. But we're gonna, as you can see, we got 360 feet or something of water pipe and conduit ran down the driveway. So we're gonna be setting up this gate. We got the drain going out. So I'm gonna start raking all this, but it's all in a day's work, you know. Been moving right along here, so fun stuff. Welcome to my life and new job, and not always working on trucks, you know. So here it is. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. Obviously something a little bit different on the channel, but like I showed you earlier, this LBZ motor that we have, or LMM, I'm not sure, but I do know it is a newer style. I checked the pistons, they are the junk ones. But anyways, as you can see, it's a little rough. So I think what we're gonna be doing is fully tearing this block down, sending it to a machine shop, checking it out, getting it bored over, and I think this might be the base for the race truck build in the future here. I have that other LB7 motor, but that one's pretty much in like, it's fully assembled with oil, it's in good shape. So like realistically, if something happened and we needed to drop a motor in quick, like that would be a good motor to get going really easy. But other than that, this one's obviously already junk and needs to be torn down. So we're gonna tear this down, and hopefully one day soon we actually go get the race truck and you can kind of see where my mind's at with all that stuff. But we're gonna be doing some crazy stuff with that. So expect to see in the next few days or weeks or so a tear down of this LBZ motor, pretty much bottom end. Obviously you've seen heads come off trucks and all that good stuff. The bottom end, I know I did a few videos on it before, but we're basically gonna tear it down and kind of pull everything out and see what condition everything's in as far as the motor goes. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, a little bit different, seeing what we're doing for work and kind of seeing both sides of things. So if you enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. We got plenty of Duramax stuff laying around to play with, so lots of work still to do. Yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. We'll catch you later. Whoa!